valve, because each valve is going to be different. Got that soldered, ready. Let's get this done. You also want to drain back the water a little bit by opening a valve in another room, so that way the water doesn't come up, because if the water comes up, it won't get hot enough to solder. Put this guy on there. Put this guy on here. I want to make sure everything's level at the same time as much as possible. You can use the speed level to do this. I normally eyeball mine. I've done enough of them that I can see when it's straight or not. If it's not straight, it looks like a poor job. Put the shower rod back up that I took down earlier. Everything looks really good to me. Put a little bit of extra solder on it. A little bit of extra flux on everything. Make it burn real nice. Especially on this side. I'm going to do this brass solder last, because brass needs to be extremely hot to solder, a lot hotter than copper. So I'm going to heat everything else up first, and then I'll get to that. I use MAP gas. You can also use propane. Propane takes a little bit longer to heat up. I tend to like my MAP gas more. I think it works better. So let's go ahead and start soldering. You want to heat up, if you're doing this fitting, you're going to solder here, but you want to heat up back here so it sucks, the heat will suck the solder in. Make sure you don't burn the wall before the fire. Always keep some water or a fire extinguisher around, so that way if you do start a fire, you can deal with it. The solder, once it's hot enough, you'll see the solder fall off my dill. See how it's sucking in? Go around the back side. There you go. Sometimes you get solder falling into it. What do you do about that? Unscrew this tip. Take something to get in there like a screwdriver. Knock it loose. Screw your tip back on. You're ready to solder some more. Solder. Make sure you get around the back side too. Move down. Alright, you see that? Make sure you get around the back side of this guy. That's soldered. Make sure you unroll a little more solder. soldered. Make sure this is still good. That looks good. Let's do this one here. Make sure you got him where you want him. That'll be fine. This one's take a little bit longer to heat up, of course, because it's a thicker top. So you want to get it nice and hot all the way around. See that flux there. And ready to go. So, that's nice and soldered. Always make sure you get the whole thing. Alright, that's everything but this brass piece. Keep the brass upside a bit here. That's a well soldered thing. Roll out some top. I would say that's solder. That's that. That's how you do a shower well. You want to cool everything off and it's done. Show this to you. That's where I soldered on the brass. And we got some female fittings coming off the valve. Everything looks good. Guts are out of the valve. Valve's clean. Everything's all set. Now we're going to put the valve together.